Understanding "that's enough," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, "that's enough." This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really help you in grasping the English language better. Let's dive in and learn about the various contexts in which this phrase is used. "That's enough" is a phrase used to indicate that no more of something is needed or desired. It can be used in different contexts, from stopping someone from adding more sugar to your coffee, to signaling the end of a discussion. However, the tone and situation play a crucial role in interpreting its meaning. Sometimes, "that's enough" is used in a positive and supportive manner. For instance, when someone is offering help or providing more than what is required, you might use this phrase to kindly indicate that they have already done plenty. It's a way of showing appreciation for their effort while signaling that no further action is needed. Conversely, "that's enough" can also be used in negative or restrictive contexts. This is common when someone is doing something undesirable, like arguing or making noise. In these situations, the phrase is used to firmly ask the person to stop their behavior. It's important to be aware of your tone here, as it can convey sternness or frustration. In different cultures, the interpretation of "that's enough" can vary. It's crucial for English learners to understand these nuances to avoid miscommunications. In some cultures, direct phrases like this might be considered rude or too blunt. Therefore, it's important to consider the cultural context and the relationship between the speakers. And that's our exploration of "that's enough." Remember, the key to using this phrase effectively lies in understanding the context and tone in which it's said. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using and understanding this phrase in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.